I've never been so busy in my entire life. When in fact, this person is a very busy person, like I told you. Pero, look at what people is doing. Sino ba nakita niyong tao, walang sahod, nagtrabaho, walang staff, walang pondo, walang structure, nagtrabaho. People volunteered, the Malacanang saw it working, tinanggal. Saan kayo nakakita ng ganyan? Well, technically, hindi naman tinanggal. Pero tatanggalin na kasi. Trinatrabaho na siya. And he knows that. Isipin niyo nagtatrabaho siya para sa inyo. Para kitilin yung corruption, sinasakripisyo yung sarili niya, yung oras niya, safety niya, pamilya niya.